In this video, I'm going to show you how to convert PDF to Word, Excel, and PowerPoint online using a simple web tool, and I'll walk you through the exact steps so you can do it fast without installing anything on your computer. This is super useful if you need to edit a PDF, turn tables into spreadsheets, or reuse slides from a document for a presentation. If this tutorial helps you, please hit like and subscribe for more easy software guides like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open your browser and go to iLovePDF. Once the site loads, you'll see a bunch of different PDF tools in one place, and that's what makes it so convenient. On the main page, look for the Convert PDF section and click it. This will take you to the conversion tools where you can choose the format you want. If your goal is to turn your PDF into a presentation, click on PDF to PowerPoint. If you want a document you can edit in Microsoft Word, look for the PDF to Word option. And if your PDF contains data tables or figures that you want in a spreadsheet, choose PDF to Excel. For this walkthrough, I'm focusing on PowerPoint, but the process is very similar for the other file types. After selecting PDF to PowerPoint, click Select PDF File. Now choose the PDF from your computer or drag and drop it into the upload area if that option appears. Make sure you pick the correct file, especially if you have multiple versions saved. Once the file is uploaded, iLovePDF will prepare the conversion settings automatically. At this point, all you need to do is click Convert to PPTX. The website will process the file and convert your PDF into a PowerPoint presentation. Depending on the size of the document, this may take a few seconds or a little longer. When the conversion finishes, you'll see a download option. Click Download PowerPoint to save the converted file to your device. Now you can open it in PowerPoint and start editing the slides, text, images, or layout just like a normal presentation. If you are converting to Word or Excel instead, the same general idea applies. Choose the correct conversion tool, upload your PDF, start the conversion, and then download the new file. One thing to keep in mind is that the quality of the conversion can depend on how your original PDF was created. Text-based PDFs usually convert more cleanly, while scanned documents may need extra cleanup afterward. Tables, images, and formatting may also shift a little, so it's always a good idea to review the converted file once it downloads. That way you can fix anything that doesn't look quite right before you start using it. And that's how you convert a PDF to Word, Excel, or PowerPoint on the web using iLovePDF. It's quick, free to try, and very beginner friendly. If this video helped you, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment if you want more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.